Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and today's January 23rd. It's Thursday, and the natural gas report is today. And as you guys saw, we are seeing the aftermath of the natural gas report. The natural gas report was in favor of DGAZ, therefore causing UGAZ to aggressively sell off. Now we are seeing the recovery, and this is what I personally like to trade on a weekly basis. It's one of my favorite days to day trade in the stock market, and I'm going to show you exactly how it is that I do so. So I'm a big believer that, again, the trend is your friend, and direction is 100% my biggest focus in this. So as long as we continue to make higher highs, then again, that is going to be in my overall benefit with my position right now on UGAZ. So as UGAZ aggressively sold off, I waited for it to find a support right around $50. And as it began to indicate signs of an uptrend, I began to add more to my position size on UGAZ. What I would like you guys to know is that, again, when natural gas goes up, UGAZ goes up as well. When natural gas goes down, then the inverse ETN, such as DGAZ, then goes up as natural gas sells off. So therefore, DGAZ is super overbought. Natural gas is a little bit more on the oversold side. So this is where and why I see so much recovery potential and why I have an open position right now on UGAZ. So as long as UGAZ continues to recover and show signs of higher highs, I expect there to be a slight resistance right around the EMA line. We could see that the MACD, we could see that the RSI all looks good. We are simply waiting for higher highs and for it to show more signs of a resistance, which then again, I believe that we will experience right along that EMA line. So now that we're getting a little bit closer to that EMA line, I'm going to make sure that I have my overall limit order ready to sell, therefore being able to lock in my profits on my open position as of right now on ticker symbol UGAZ. I'm a big believer that, again, locking in profits is key, and one of the biggest ways to not go broke is at any indication of a resistance that you do your part as a trader to lock in those profits. So we're seeing a lot of consolidation at 50.70, waiting for the break above 580, and here we go. Just broke above 580, DGAZ pulling back, set my limit order to sell, waiting to get filled, and at 50.87, will I get filled? Will I get filled? 700 shares, boom, there we go, sold. 50.87, locked in profits, $489 profit on ticker symbol UGAZ, and all together on the day, $542 profit, a total of 19 orders, all positions closed. And that's how you day trade the recovery of the natural gas report. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to join our free investing group. That's the first link down below. And if you guys would like to be able to watch me trade live every single day, don't forget to click that second link down below and learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group and to see if it's a good fit for you. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.